If you want an e-bag that's easy to store away in tight spaces, then there is no better option than a folding e-bag. Fortunately for you, there are a ton of great choices on Gearbag, and today I'm going to introduce you to the powerful new e-bag brand, the Etiquette F1. If you followed our channel recently, you'd probably be not unfamiliar with this brand as it did several videos introducing the M1 series. And I can easily recommend this F1 mainly for 3 reasons. Its ridiculous low $900 budget price, its incredible solid build quality, and its overall excellent, comfortable, and fun riding experience. Let's hop on the back and take a closer look. So for that $900 price, first of course you get an easy to fold design e-bag. You can always fold up into something you could easily take on the bus or fit in the trunk of your car. Then you get 2 26-inch pneumatic tires, 250-watt continuous rear motor, which gives you a top speed of up to 25 km/h. And no, it's not the fastest speed you can get for this price range. But you know, in your country, the fastest speed by law may not allow you to surpass 25 km/h, at least for many European countries as far as I know. Besides, it has enough power to get you through even the steepest slope, as you can see from our test. In addition to the decent motor, the Etiquette F1 offers a removable 36-voltage 10.4 amp lithium battery, and you should be able to get around 40 km range in electric mode and 85 km in moped mode, which I think is enough for your daily commutes. Not only that, it has a suspension, no problem if you take it off-road, as it easily absorbs the bumps or jitters of rough terrain, which would otherwise draw your wrist apart. Unlike most e-bags I've reviewed before, the Etiquette F1 comes with the dual Shimano derailleurs, perfect for someone who wants the finest control of the gear ratios. And most importantly, you don't have to worry about your weight or height. No matter whether your height is European or Asian, your weight is American or Chinese, the Etiquette F1 fits you perfectly. You can always adjust it to the most comfortable position for you. Alright, those basically are all the key specs you need to know about the Etiquette F1. Yes, I know it's not the best electric bicycle in the world if you look at the specs only, but no one ever said that too. To me, the Etiquette F1 is decently made, offers good performance in terms of speed and power. I faced the lifestyle of many people who had been considering e-bag but haven't yet pulled the trigger due to cost concerns. It gives everything you need to have a blast and a fun big tire e-bag. It's just a super enjoyable e-bag that works well and is ultra affordable. If you've never ridden an e-bag before and want a bag to get you started, this would be a great option. And if you are interested in this bag, you can check the link in the description. We are going to ship from our European warehouses directly, so it will be VAT free and offer excellent local customer service if anything goes wrong. Understand me? I will see you in the next one.